Here we are discussing significance of photoelectric effect, and here wave particle duality. You know that wave theory of light couldn't explain photoelectric effect successfully. That means they consider as the radiations as waves. But Albert Einstein explained photoelectric effect by considering the radiation as particle. That means radiation consists of photons. So wave particle duality means it states that light displays the properties of both waves and particle. Light can be considered as a wave and a particle. In some cases we have to explain by taking wave nature. In some other cases we have to take the particle nature. So interference and diffraction of light, these things you studied in grade 11. And interference and diffraction of light shows the wave nature of light. Photoelectric effect, Compton effect, shows the particle nature of light. So light has a dual nature. Light has a dual nature. It behaves like a particle and it behaves like a wave. So which are the phenomena that explains the wave nature of light, interference and diffraction of light? Photoelectric effect and Compton effect explains the particle nature of light. As you learn, photoelectric effect is the ejection of electrons. That means what? When a photon falls on the metal surface, electrons are ejecting. So when a photon can eject one electron. So photon here it is considered as a particle. So photon means packets of energy. So light means the packets of energy. That packet of energy is known as photon. One photon, that means photon is considering as a particle. One photon can eject one electron from the metal surface. So photoelectric effect clearly explains the particle nature of light. But the interference and diffraction of light, wave nature of light. So duality means the light can be considered as a wave and a particle. So in some phenomena we will explain the wave nature of light. In some other phenomena we will explain the particle nature of light.